Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where C drive shows it's full and showing red in Windows 11, then please watch this video. So we have two cases here. In the first case, it is not full, but it is just showing full. In that case, just run an SFC scan to fix it. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. And the second one is that it is actually full. So in that case, just search for disk cleanup and open disk cleanup and then click on OK. And then you can check all the boxes here, each and every one of them, including recycle bin. Click on OK and delete files. And since all of these files are in the C drive, it will free up some significant space. Now what else do we have in the C drive, because people don't usually keep their normal folders and files in the C drive? So it has applications. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side and select installed apps in the right pane. Now search for applications that you don't need. Click on the three dots associated with it and uninstall it, like one by one. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.